The VTM4 system in Honda Pilots is a variable torque management four-wheel drive system that automatically distributes torque between the front and rear wheels to enhance traction and stability. Understanding what the VTM4 light means is crucial. There are two different states you need to know about. A solid VTM4 light indicates that the rear differential is locked, which is completely normal during certain driving conditions like off-road or slippery surfaces. However, a flashing VTM4 light signals a system malfunction that requires attention. This is when you need to take action. Before seeking professional help, you can attempt a temporary reset. The first method involves a simple steering wheel procedure while the engine is running. Start the engine and let it idle. Then turn the steering wheel fully to the left, then fully to the right. Next, drive straight for 10 to 15 seconds. Then turn off the engine and restart it. This completes the reset procedure. The second temporary reset method involves removing a specific fuse from the underhood fuse box. Locate fuse number 13, which is a 15-amp fuse in the underhood fuse box. Remove this fuse for exactly 10 minutes, then reinstall it and test drive the vehicle. These temporary reset methods have a 60 to 70% success rate, but it's important to understand they are only temporary fixes. They do not address the underlying issue causing the VTM4 light. If the problem persists or recurs, professional diagnosis is recommended. When temporary resets fail to resolve the VTM4 light, advanced diagnostic tools are needed. The first step is connecting an OBD2 scanner to retrieve specific error codes. Professional diagnostic data reveals 5 primary causes of persistent VTM4 light issues. Low or contaminated VTM4 fluid accounts for nearly half of all cases, making it the most common culprit. VTM4 fluid replacement is often the most effective solution, especially for 2003 to 2000 Honda Pilot models that are prone to fluid contamination. Only Honda's genuine VTM4 differential fluid should be used for this service. Faulty wheel speed sensors account for 25% of VTM4 light issues. These sensors monitor wheel rotation and provide critical data to the VTM4 system for proper torque distribution. For lasting solutions, consulting a qualified Honda technician is crucial. Professional diagnosis prevents drivetrain damage, maintains vehicle safety, and preserves resale value. Ignoring persistent VTM4 issues can lead to costly repairs and safety hazards.